Today I'm going to show you how to block someone from viewing your Snapchat story. If you ever feel like sharing your moments with just a select group of friends, this is the perfect solution. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and click on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, scroll down a bit until you see the option that says Add to My Story. Here, you'll find 3 dots next to that option. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. Next, click on Story Settings. This is where you can manage who can see your story. Now, select Custom. This will allow you to choose specific friends who you want to block from viewing your story. Scroll through your friends list and select the ones you want to block from your story. Once you've made your selections, just click on Block. And that's it. You've successfully blocked certain friends from viewing your Snapchat story. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.